Watch this video and learn how to draw a toilet. Later in the video, Bobby Bananas has a dance break. And watch to the end to see one of Louie's poetry breaks. Are you ready, Artie? Are you ready, little artists? Come on, it's Artie's show!
Come on kids, let's run, let's brush. Grab a pencil, chalk or brush. Now let's go and make some art. Draw and paint, come on, let's start. Color, texture, shapes and lines. Making art of every kind. Let's have fun, let's have a party. Making art with our friend Artie!
Hello, and welcome to Artie's show.
Well, that was a very nice welcome, Artie.
Yeah.
What are we going to do today?
I think we should do a drawing today. Yeah.
Why don't we draw a toilet?
Yeah. Okay. Wow.
Oh, I didn't see you there.
The little artists have joined.
Hello there, little artists!
Are you ready, Artie? Artie? Artie?
Oh,
Are you ready?
I think I'm ready.
Excellent. Then let's make some art.
Yeah. Okay. Let's do it.
Let's start by drawing 2 circles in the middle of the page towards the top. These are going to be the eyes of our toilet.
Eyes of a toilet.
Yes, we're going to give our toilet a face. Why not? This is art. We can do anything we want. Now let's draw 2 little black circles inside the first circles that you drew. They look a bit like your eyes, Artie.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh.
Let's finish the second circle. Make sure you fill it in black, Artie. That's it. Now let's draw a big smiley mouth underneath. First of all, a curve, and then a deeper curve underneath. Awesome.
If Artie is drawing a little too quick, you can pause the video, that'll do the trick. While it's paused, you can draw away. And when you're caught up, you can just press play. Oh, that was marvellous, darling.
Let's draw a straight line across, and then shade in underneath that line. And now our little toilet face has teeth.
I didn't know that toilets had teeth.
Well, you'll have to be careful next time you use the toilet, Artie, in case you get bitten. I'm only kidding. Toilets don't have teeth. Now let's draw the left arm with a little hand on the top and some little fingers. That's it, Artie.
Artie, Buddy's here.
Hi, Bunny.
Oh, your art makes my whiskers wiggle with joy. Hop to it.
Okay.
Oh, Bunny Fluffington is so cute, Artie. Okay, that's a really good hand you drew. Finish the arm. Perfect. Now let's do the right arm and the right hand. This time let's have the arm pointing downwards, as if the right hand is waving. That's right, draw a nice big thumb and 3 fingers. Well, it doesn't look much like a toilet yet, but it looks really good.
I've had an idea.
Are you going to tidy your bedroom?
No.
Well, what is it?
Artie wants a dance break.
Oh, I see.
Yeah. Let's go do dance break. Dance break.
Dancing is a form of art.
Are you dancing, little artists?
Quite tickled me, frankly. I have to give it a 10.
I
love a dance break.
Dance break.
That was a fun one.
Yeah.
Bobby's great.
Oh, yeah.
Well, should we carry on with the drawing now?
Okay. Yeah, okay.
Now let's draw the handle that you use to flush the toilet. We'll draw a little circle and a rectangle coming off. Keep watching, because later on, Louie's going to do a poetry break. Now let's draw the top section of the toilet. This is called the tank. A straight line coming down on the left with a little hook at the bottom. Then another one on the right. Don't forget the hook. Let's join the top of the two lines with a nice curve, and then a half circle on the left. Another half circle on the right, and then another curved line to connect those two. Oh, this is looking great, Artie.
Oh no! What's that music? It's painty.
Look out! Uh-oh.
Oh, don't laugh, Barry. Ugh, now there's yellow paint everywhere. I'll clean that up later. Okay, Artie, let's draw a nice oval shape. That's the toilet seat opening. Let's do another oval outside, but with two little half circles in the middle. They're the hinges. That's how you flap open the toilet seat.
It's just no class, darling. I mean, oh, hello and welcome to Poetry Corner. Here's a lovely little poem about a magic toilet. We have a magic toilet. It makes things disappear. Just toss them in and flip the switch, and presto, they're not here. We love our magic toilet. It's super fun to use. My brother flushed his baseball bat, my sister flushed her shoes. Our mother flushed the sofa, she flushed our camping tent. That's when I looked around and said, I wonder where Dad went. Marvellous.
Now let's finish the front of the toilet seat, carrying all the way round. Perfect, Artie. Now let's draw the bowl of the toilet. A nice curve on the left, a nice curve on the right, and connect the two lines together.
Man, this is creative.
Artie is so talented.
Now let's draw the bottom part of the toilet. This is called the pedestal. It's the part that the toilet itself sits on. A straight line with a hook on the end, another straight line with a hook on the end, and connect the two together. Fantastic!
I finished.
It looks marvellous, Artie.
Yeah.
Are you happy?
I'm really happy with it.
Good.
It looks great.
It sure does.
What this drawing needs is some color.
Done.
It looks great, Artie. It came out really good.
Oh, it came out so good. Yeah.
Should we put it on the wall in our toilet?
Yes, please.
Okay.
Okay.
Well, that one took some skill. We'll see you again next time. Have an Arty day!
Yeah. Thank you for watching. Artie hopes you have an Arty day. Thank you. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.